Okay, hi guys. This is sort of a faux unboxing because I had to start working on them before I could get to make a video. Okay, so these canvases are from diamond painting canvases are from Amazon. Look for the links below. And they are my hopefully will be my affiliate links, and I would appreciate you guys clicking on those. Um, these are they're not full drills. These are the partial drills, but they were so cute. I can't resist doing them. Um, First of all, Mom, if you're watching this, please stop. It's supposed to be a surprise. Okay. So, um, my mom collects Santas, and she had done ceramics in the past. They had a shop, and my parents had a shop and everything. And they she did a lot of Santas, and she has quite a collection of Santas, and so I thought these would be really, really cute to put with her Christmas decorations as temporary decorations. They can lean, or we can hang, or something, you know. So I will get these framed. But this one, I've already finished this one. It's a partial drill, number L760 from PigBoss. Yeah, that's a really strange name, but anyway, uh, I guess Chinese doesn't translate very well to English. But they have this one has the DMC numbers as well. There's only 12 colors, and I was finished in one day. It didn't take long at all. It's not real big. Um, let's see, let me get my ruler out here. It's not very big. It's let me see what we got here. Actual measurements, 8.5 by 12.5, something like that. But they came rolled up and squashed. I mean, they were really squashed. Um, but it didn't take long to do. Um, this one has sticky where there shouldn't be sticky, so I'm going to have to spray seal this one. Um, the next one is much better, but yeah, this is the only one from this company that I have. I've got two more that aren't here yet, so I will do an unboxing when they get here. But this is kind of a faux unboxing since I had to open them and straighten them out and check the inventory and all of that before I could get to make the video. So this is the first one. The second one I'm working on presently is a little bigger. Is this one here. His number is X096, and he's just a bit bigger than the other one. He measures 9.5 by probably 13.5, something like that. Okay, I'm halfway done with him. I started him today, and I haven't had a lot of time this evening to work on him, but I'll finish him tomorrow. That would be 2 out of 5. But this one is lovely. The canvas is a nice quality. I'm enjoying working with it. The diamonds seem to be well done. They're consistent in size. I really enjoy that. This is from the DIY Diamond Paint company, I suspect. But like I said, I'll have all the links below so you guys can go and check them out. It didn't take very long for these to get here. The two other ones I think are might be coming from China. But like I said, it's only taking me one day to do them, so I should get them done before Christmas, I hope. I was hoping, to get them all at the same time, but it didn't work out. Okay, this one is X737, and this is another partial, so they're all the Santas are partials. And oh, there we go. Get the glare off. But aren't they cute? They're really cute. And this one appears to be pretty well done as far as I can tell. The inventory checked out. Everything seems to be here. And so hopefully this will turn out as well. The glue area is much more confined, like the blue one. It's much better. It's not hanging all over the place. There's not glue everywhere. Okay, there's a little bit of glue at the extra at the top. However, the bottom looks like it's got glue where it's supposed to be. So I don't know how sticky this one was. The first one wasn't very sticky and there was glue mess. As far as quality, I would not order from them again. But this one, I can't tell yet because I haven't started it. So I'll have to let y'all know how that goes. But this is, like I said, it's another partial. The drill fields on all of these are very clear. And they are round. Yeah, clear. It's very nice. Very easy to see. And they are round drills. And they've all come like this, packaged in their line. They have the DMC numbers on the little bags. So I'm having to write them in later. But yeah, so that's good. That's going to be the next one to get done. And then I also got, and these were so cute. These are cats. Okay, now these are from, it says the DIY 5D, which I have had before. There we go. This one is M027 and this one is M028. I think there are 5 or 6 of this style. And these are all 30 by 40 centimeters, which works out to approximately 9 3/4 by 14-ish, something like that. So for all, I'm probably going to have to cut mats for all of these things, and I have my own mat cutter, so I can do that. But they're adorable. I love these. They're just so cute. I saw those and I go, oh, because these were new. I hadn't seen these before, and I thought I had seen almost every kit on Amazon. But these were also through Amazon, so I will put the links down there. This one has 19 colors. This one has 17 colors. Yeah, I saw this one first, the single one first, and I was looking for, one to go with it because I didn't want to get all of them because I don't have room to put them. So I just thought these two would go together well. And so, of course, they may, I don't know which way they're going to sit on the wall, but anyway. But they're really cute. Now, the thing I don't like about these things, and they're round drill, sorry. Round drill, both of them. And I took inventory, everything seems to be here. Lots of black on the one. Oh, lots of black on that one too. Okay, that'll work. But anyway, they have the clear plastic, and I hate this stuff. So I have been saving the strips for my other pieces. I've been saving the packing, the backing papers, that's over the sticky. And so I have been just, cutting them down to size and using them on, all the other kits. Because I really hate that clear stuff. It makes me crazy. It rips real easy. It's noisy. It's crinkly when we're watching television. It's noisy. We're trying to watch a video and it's like, and every time you touch it, it makes that noise. So it's just really annoying. Oh, there's that loose dog. Excuse the dog. He's a big black lab looking thing and he's running around loose. There's 2 of them actually, but there's only one running around loose. I don't know where the other one is, but he's just making himself obnoxious. Okay, so anyway, this is these are the things I've gotten in the last week or so, and I've got another order coming in from China. Well, I think there's 3 more orders coming in from China. I got some stuff last weekend on sale, so they're not Christmas gifts though, so it doesn't matter, if they don't get here by Christmas, it doesn't matter. But I wanted to show you the trays that I've been using for these. These are the trays. Let me show you what the box looks like. Every time the price goes down, I grab a couple more. tiny container bead storage trays. These are Elizabeth Ward and Company. I don't know who puts them out, but let's see, it's number 0511 tiny container bead storage tray, and I'll put the link for that below. Oh, I haven't opened these yet. I just got these two. They haven't opened them yet. But anyway, these are fantastic. I love these things. And with 447 DMC colors, so and I'm keeping the round and the square separate, so I have to have like 10 of these things. Each one holds 80 of the small ones. You do the math. There's like 5 or 6 for the rounds and 5 or 6 for the squares, and so I've got several. While I can get them, I'm going to do so. And so this is my second tray. I've started the second tray from leftovers. I don't remember exactly how many I have done right now. How many finished? I have to look. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll get that figured out. Anyway, the other one is full, and so the overflow is the 37s and 38s have come into this one, but the other one is full. I combine, if the beads look the same, I'll combine them. If I can tell a marked difference, like if there's a different dye lot or something, I'll put them in a separate container. I won't mix them. That's just me. I have this thing about dye lots. Okay, so this guy is finished. This one is Night Sky, and it's a square, and the quality's okay. I didn't mind this at all. Let me see if I can get the name and number up here for you. There you go. It's Aswala is the company it came from Amazon, and I'll put the link below for that. Yeah, but it's kind of nice. Now, this one, it's like 14 by 18, and there were people down here. Well, I removed the people. I didn't want to put the people because it looked funny. It's not detailed enough. I mean, if it was a bigger canvas, you could tell they were people, but this one you could not tell it was people. It was way too pixelated, so I kind of blended the area out into the rest. But there's the water line, so the sky is reflected in the water. This is supposed to be like a wet beach, I guess. But that's what the photo looks like online when you look at it. But this one being not real big as far as being pixelated a bit, but it's still lovely. And I've got some more canvases to go with it. I've got Night Sky, and one of the ones I got from China from the sale last weekend is a long one. It's like 12 by 28 or something, but it's a night sky with the moon and the water. Oh, it's really pretty. Wait till you see. It's really pretty. Okay, anyway, I guess that's probably about it for right now. I'm needing to get these videos up there and get the links put up for you, and I will see you guys on stream Friday. Bye! Thanks for watching. Come on, mouse. Bye, guys.